Imagine it raining fish. In Yoro, Honduras, that's exactly what happens. Known as Lluvia de Peces, this phenomenon has puzzled locals and scientists for over a century. It typically occurs between May and July. After a heavy rainstorm, hundreds of fish are found scattered on the ground. Some believe the fish are swept up by waterspouts and deposited inland. Others think underground rivers and streams flood, bringing the fish to the surface. Regardless of the cause, it's a celebrated event. Locals even have a festival to mark this strange occurrence. The mystery of the raining fish of Yoro is a fascinating example of nature's quirks, a phenomenon that continues to captivate and baffle to this day.